eXp just ditched Facebook's Workplace and gave us Slack, giving you and I exactly what we need: fast answers, real collaboration, and a way to help run our business efficiently. Stick around to learn how Slack helps agents build faster. But first, I'm Doug Smart, Smart Agent Alliance sponsor team leader and full stack developer at eXp, where we provide more free team value than anyone else in the real estate business. Our record-breaking sponsor team is growing every week. Learn more at smartagentalliance.com. All right, so why exactly did eXp drop Workplace for Slack? Let's dig in. Slack is organized and built for efficiency, with features like channels for training, referrals, and support, huddles for quick, informal, and spontaneous conversations within a channel or direct message, and it has full desktop and mobile access. For example, let's say you get tagged in a referral channel. Simply jump on a huddle and send a client-ready guide from your team's canvas, all in a matter of seconds. Number 2, massive improvement over the years. Forget what you remember about Slack from years back. It's completely different now. Threaded conversations, keeping everything organized, AI summaries catching you up in seconds, and integrations replacing all those clunky extra tools. The bottom line, you spend less time searching and more time closing deals. Number 3, why eXp agents love Slack. Slack wasn't built for real estate, but it feels like it was. You get direct access to staff, leadership, and peers, plus channels for contracts, referrals, and tech support, all with global reach so you're connected no matter where you are. The mobile and desktop apps keep you in the loop 24/7, and if you're wondering about having a private space just for your team, it's easy. Use the Grid Connection app to request a private channel, invite your team, and load up a canvas with everything you need. By the way, I hate doing this, but please hit that subscribe button. It really helps. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. Number 4, Slack channels. Slack channels keep everything organized and easy to access. They're topic-based spaces where agents share referrals, resources, and support without the clutter of reply all emails. For example, if you want San Diego referrals, just search the referral channel, join, and you're instantly connected with agents ready to send business your way. It's fast, simple, and built to help you close more deals. Number 5, Canvases, your resource hub. Canvases keep all your team's resources in one place, right inside Slack. Instead of searching through emails for PDFs, scripts, or reply links, you'll find everything organized and easy to access. Teams use Canvases for onboarding guides, training replays, calendars, and marketing templates. For example, a top producing team might set up a Canvas with a 30-day new agent roadmap, scripts, and marketing tools so new agents can get started right away. Number 6, creating your own channel. You're not limited to the channels that already exist. You can create your own. Using the Grid Connection app, you can set up a new channel in minutes. Make it public to connect with agents nationwide or private for just your team. Add a canvas with training links, scripts, market templates, or referral forms, and you've built a custom space for collaboration that drives results. Number 7, joining the eXp agent community. Simple. Just activate your account and confirm you're in the official workplace. Once you're in, you'll be automatically added to channels, and any private groups you're a part of will appear in 48 hours, or within 48 hours. So why does this matter? Slack shows that eXp is serious about giving agents the tools to collaborate and scale. When you join our sponsor team, Smart Agent Alliance, you get more than just access to Slack. You plug into a full system designed to grow both your production and your passive income. Through dual sponsorship with the Wolfpack, we, SAA, are able to provide more value than anyone else at eXp. We provide marketing and automation tools like landing pages, templates, and automated follow-ups, plus coaching, AI training, and private referral groups. The goal is simple: help you scale, connect, and build a business that works without burnout. Anyway, some more videos should be popping up right about now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.